How to change address on Wealthfront. Follow the instructions. Log into your Wealthfront account using your email and password on the app or website. From the dashboard, click your profile icon at the top right corner to open the menu options. Select Settings from the drop-down to access your personal and account information section. Under Personal Info, locate and click the Address section to begin the update process. Click the Edit or pencil icon next to your current address to enter a new residential address. Type your new street, city, state, and zip code accurately, then review for any spelling errors. Click Save or Update Address to confirm the changes and update your contact records. Check your email for a confirmation from Wealthfront verifying your address change is complete. Thank you for watching.